What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's Nah, just playing. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Guys, you can see by the thumbnail or the title of this video, guys, the teardown is about to happen. We got the truck pulled in the shop. She's sitting all pretty. She's dusty right now, but you know, she got her fresh paint. So she happy. But we got to put it in the shop. You guys saw our previous video on the Sonics jacks. We got those in. So what we're about to do now is go ahead and lift up the truck, place these Sonics jacks under there, pull the tires and everything off, get those stacked up out the way. And what we're really just about to do is really tear this 6-inch zone lift from out of here. I don't think it should take us long to pull it out. I mean, the front, all you have to do is take these drop brackets off, the dual steering stabilizer, the both coils, and that drop bracket for the drag link. But that's pretty much it in the front, and the 2 radius arms, which is 3 bolts, and those will come right out. The rear, I didn't put the whole lift in, so all I have to do in the rear is take off the 2 4-inch blocks in the back, and that'll be it. So basically what we're trying to do in this video is try to get everything pulled off this truck and ready for the buyer to come and pick up, because as I've mentioned before, someone has already bought the lift and they're on the way to try to come and pick it up. So I need to try to get this thing off of here and ready for them to pick up with all its pieces and bolts. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. I might have a few buddies come and help me. If they do, it should speed this process up. That should speed the process up a lot faster. Hopefully, I can kind of record as much as possible for you guys. It's kind of difficult working with my limited space. I have stuff everywhere. So headlights and taillights and stuff I'm working on for people. I have stuff everywhere right now. So it's kind of cluttered in the shop. So we're gonna try to, you know, make do with what we have, and it is what it is. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage for you guys as possible, but don't be mad if I don't and I have to pick up with you guys every so often. So let me stop talking and let's dive straight into it, guys. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are pumped. If you are pumped, go down below right now and hit that like button and share this video, guys. Let's get it. Take that bad boy out, and that's it. Take those out. Yo guys, well, you can see we got the truck completely torn apart. The old lift is gone. It is completely off. And we're starting from phase one again, once again. So got the rear blocks, everything out. I never installed the leaf, add a leaf. So that was a plus. Didn't have to worry about taking that apart. So that's all out. I started mocking up the new lift, kind of seeing how it's gonna fit, you know, things like that. We got everything completely torn out of here. Everything. Coils, radius arms, drop brackets, everything gone. Here's our pile of parts. I'm texting the guy right now, seeing when he's gonna come pick it up, because I gotta get this out of my way. This has gotta go. So yeah, truck is completely torn apart, guys. Took us a little longer than I was expecting it or planning it to take, but you know how that goes. Something always pops up and causes you to, you know, take more time. But we got everything pulled apart. My boy Evan, he helped me out. That was a big help, guys. I'll probably still be at it right now if he didn't come help me. So shout out to Evan, definitely helped me out a lot. But guys, I'm not sure if this is gonna be height of the truck. I don't think it is, because this is stupid tall. But if it is this tall, man, I don't know. This thing is huge, guys. We might have to go back down a little bit if this truck is gonna be this tall. But yeah, here it is. You guys can see me standing on the side of it. I'm 6'2". I'm 6'2", and my head is dang near even with the bed. So that's telling you how tall this freaking truck is right now. It's huge in my eyes. Now I'm sure you guys are out there with the 20-inch, 25-inch lifts. Oh, that ain't nothing there, blah blah, whatever. This is freaking huge where I'm at. You don't see this every day. So yeah, we got pulling this lift apart. I noticed a lot of things we need to touch up and, you know, get back in my liking, to my liking. Rock lights, probably run a few more since we have a lot of access and a lot of room to get to things. Probably run a few more rock lights. Straighten up, you know, lines and stuff, wiring, make it look a little more neater. Parts, I need to order parts, a lot of parts, coilovers. If any of you guys know anyone out there, company, somebody that could make me a crossover steering kit, that means drag link and tie rod, not tie rod. Yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say right now. I'm tired, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Crossover steering. If you know anyone that makes them, let me know. For a reasonable price, guys. And yeah, comment that down below. I need to get my blocks for the rear as well. What else? I got a lot of stuff I need to get. I'm all over the place right now, but a lot of stuff we need to get on order so we don't fall behind on the deadline. But yeah, this truck is looking really good right now. If it's this tall, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, because this is huge. But I think it would look really good if it was this tall. But yeah, you know, you guys know what I'm trying to say. Sonics jacks, lifesaver. Those things worked absolutely great. You can see being working under that truck, I had like all the confidence in the world working under that truck, knowing that those things were, you know, holding the truck up. So shout out to Sonics. You make a good product. Those things are freaking sturdy, massive, and they're doing their job. So like I said, you guys stay tuned. We got a lot of videos on the way, guys. I know I'm kind of talking a little low right now. I'm tired. I'm about to go in get some sleep and probably get back to it tomorrow. And but yeah, we got a lot of videos coming, guys, so you guys don't want to miss. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, also turn on the notification bell if you guys haven't already. This truck is about to be the baddest 6.0 out there. Mark my word, trust me. So yeah, you guys do that for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.